Hey guys, this is a quick tips and tricks tutorial. We're going to create this wire mesh type grill effect, okay, which could be useful for, say, a lamp or a garbage can, you know, a motorbike accessory for a muffler or an exhaust, etc., an engine accessory. Okay, so we're going to create this grill. All right, so let's have a look. I'm just coming into Maya. Here are the parts I had originally, so I'll just get rid of these. So there they are. Before I do get rid of them, I'll just look around so you can get an idea. So great for a garbage bin, a lamp, etc. Alright. So how does this work? Well, we start off for this example. I'll run with what will I run with? A simple cylinder. I'm going to scale it up a little bit. And what we want to do is make a grid type effect. So I'm going to change the inputs here for the axis. I'm going to go 40. And for the height, I'll go 20. There we go. So now we've got these square polys like that. That's what we're after. Let's move forward. So how do we do that? Well, first off, we need to select all of our edges, the area that we're going to apply the effect to. So I'm going to take it just through the center here like that. Okay. Now we need to save this. This is a selection. So just do it to there and get rid of those. There we go. So to do this, I go up here, create sets, and a set. You could create a quick selection set if you wanted to, but I'll go set. Okay. Now when I deselect, you can just re-select it by going right click on the set, here's our set, and select set members, and there it is. Okay, so now we're going to select the faces of this. So if I hold shift, right click, and come to, shift control and go to faces, and then to faces, it just flips it into faces. Now if I hold shift and right click again and go poke faces, now we get that effect. That's what we're after. Okay, now we'll just deselect. We'll come to our set, select set members. There we go. Now if we delete this, we should end up just with this grid effect like that. It's a hexagonal type effect, and that's what we're after. Okay, now next up, let's grab all of those polygons like that, and we will do an extrude. So I could come into my toolbox here, and I'll do a normal extrude here. And I'm going to make sure I have keep faces turned off. And I'll do a central. So see that? I'm just coming in. That's about the thickness I'm going for. Like that. And then I'll delete those. Then this is important, hit delete. And there we go, we've got the effect. That's what we're going for. If I go to my perspective viewport, you can view it. I'll just take off this lid so we can look inside. There we go. Now one last thing regarding it is you'll notice the normals are all black on the inside. So to fix that, we're just going to extrude the whole lot. So I'll just grab everything like that and do one extrude, and we're going to pull out with the blue handle, which is our Z, and I'm just going to make sure I can see the actual mesh and pull out a little bit. If I pull in, it's going to do the opposite. I'd have to reverse the normal, so instead I'll just pull out just a little bit. There we go. Fantastic. Okay. Hopefully that helps you in your endeavors as you're modeling. It could be used for a weapon cooldown system, for maybe a grip on a gun, etc. Okay, thanks for watching.